2025 na. Virtual assistant ka na ba? Hindi pa? Bakit? In-overtake mo niche mo, no? Nakakainis! Hey guys, it's John, the founder of Barangay VA University and Community, and welcome to my latest episode or series called Nakakainis! And for this episode, we're going to talk about the 11th episode, which is Real Estate Virtual Assistant. Okay? But before anything else, if you haven't accessed our Notion board yet, patapos na ang series. Bakit hindi pa? Why not? All you have to do is to pause this video, click the link in the description box, save that link because the links of the previous episodes are there. Also, the schedule of the future episodes are there. And the links of the free resources are there at the same time for you to maximize. So what are you doing? Okay, go ahead, click and save that link right away. Anyway, let's talk about Real Estate VA Assistant or REVA. Very popular, no? What is the job description? A REVA is really broad. There are a lot of like roles underneath, but there's this general virtual assistant version of Real Estate VA, which is what we're going to talk about right now. And your role is support real estate agents, brokers, or property managers by handling back-end operations, listings, and lead management. That is your main role. So what are the usual tasks of a real estate virtual assistant? Number one is updating and managing property listings through MLS, Zillow, etc. I've used that before. Number two is coordinating with buyers or sellers for showings or docs. Number three is CRM and database updates. Number four is cold outreach or appointment setting, and that's what we call cold calling. Very popular. And lastly, follow up, with leads via email, text, or call scripts. So this is the overall role of a real estate virtual assistant. So what are the usual tools that they use? They use TV Core, Zillow, MLS, Follow Up Boss, Calendly, ClickUp, any project management tool, any AI tool, any CRM tool, Buhay level, AI tools that we need, very popular nowadays. Sometimes they make you do like property listings in social media. So you have to learn basic social media management, and you have to learn how to do basic video editing using Canva or CapCut. So be ready for that. So what are the experience needed? Of course, number one is sales and appointment setting or real estate admin preferred. And number two is familiarity with the US real estate terms and basic lead cycles. Number three is English fluency and persistence in follow-up. Of course, people with sales background is very important here at the same time. And what are the roles of the previous real estate VAs for? Back then, they were real estate agents, they were CSR and real estate accounts, they were appointment setters, telemarketers. So BPO team, you got you got a good edge here. So if you want to be a real estate virtual assistant and you're from the BPO, this role might be for you. So what are the ideal hobbies of REVA? So it's property browsing, interior design. If you love watching real estate YouTube channels or Netflix with an all about real estate Netflix, maybe this is for you. So if you think this role is for you, just comment your future real estate virtual assistant, in the comment section. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye everyone!